there, my lovelies. Welcome to my kitchen. This is Jana here, and today I have a very nice surprise for you. It's kale and tortellini Mediterranean soup with some vegan feta cheese that is absolutely insane. And it's ready in under 30 minutes. I mean, seriously, this is so good. So good. I'm gonna say that through the video because it's true. It's not one of those super hearty and super warming soups, which is perfect for this temperature. And let me show you how I put it together. Preferably in a cast iron pot, you add a little bit of olive oil and then some vegan butter. And I will explain why. Well, we mix vegan butter with oil, with the olive oil or any oil, because I want both tastes and I want the richness of the vegan butter. Because if I only add the vegan butter, it's going to burn because it doesn't have a high smoke point. It's very low because remember, butter is not only oil, it's oil and solids, the solids from the vegan milk. So I don't want it to burn, so that's why I mix it up. As you can see, I have heated up my cast iron pot a little bit too much, and then you can see that it started almost burning, and then I added my onions right away. And we're going to caramelize them until golden brown. When we achieve that, we're going to add the garlic and stir for 40 seconds. Then we're going to add the crushed tomatoes, some salt, black pepper, and Italian herbs. If you don't have Italian herbs, you can add dried parsley, dried oregano, dried thyme, and dried rosemary. Along with that, we're going to add some veggie broth. And we're going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes. Now, this is one of those dishes that is obviously a crowd pleaser because this is this is the intention here on this channel. I want you guys to be able to please everybody. Meat eaters, non-meat eaters, vegans, vegetarians, whatever. If you make good food, like in the movie, if you cook it, they will come. So that's exactly that. So if you cook good food, it doesn't matter, people will eat, and that's what I want. I want you guys to cook so you can bring your families or your friends or everybody you love together, because the best way of showing love and the best way of getting together, it's through food, isn't it? It's a very good excuse. Alright, so now for extra protein, I sneaked in a little bit of white beans. You can add chickpeas if you want, but I prefer the white beans because they're a little bit more soft and buttery. And then you add the vegan tortellini, and you cook it according to the package instructions. I'm sure that where you live, you can find a vegan tortellini. If you are handsy, you can make your own. Or if you absolutely cannot find, you just add any kind of pasta. I mean, I prefer the big ones, but I'm salivating. I always do that because I keep narrating and I keep talking about the food and I keep imagining and remembering and smelling it, as you can see. So that's why. So, and then, yeah, you can add, or you can just skip that and add some extra beans.
Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now.
I want you guys to check because this pasta is going to soak up a lot of water. So if you think you need more, add more water or vegetable broth.
So long, farewell, farewell, I'll be heading out on my own. This is the end.
And now for some extra creaminess and richness, I have added some vegan cream that I have made myself. I always make this one, which is soaked cashews in water and nutritional yeast. And then you blend it until very smooth, and that's it. Now you add it to the pot and cook it for 5-6 minutes more.
Farewell, farewell, I'll be heading out on my own. This is the end of what we had, but don't worry, baby, I don't feel bad.
And before serving, we're going to finish this deliciousness with some vegan feta cheese. delicious. Now, one thing to consider about this soup is that if you want it brothy, a little bit more brothy, you can add more vegetable broth, because it might look like it's a bit much at the beginning, but trust me, the tortellini, as it cooks along, it's going to absorb more and more liquids. So my tip for you is add a little bit extra, okay? And turn off the heat right before, like 1 minute before the tortellini is ready, because the soup is going to be really, really hot. So the tortellini will still cooking in this warm environment, okay? So if you don't want it too soft, you do what I say. But if you like it soft, so whatever you do, because this is how we do things on this channel. You have freedom to choose however you want your food to be. I want my food to be delicious, and that's why I'm going to do the taste test with you. It is so good. If you don't have vegan feta cheese, you can sprinkle some nutritional yeast. If you don't have nutritional yeast or you don't have feta cheese, make this. You know what you add instead? Just to give this cheesy taste, a little bit of olive brine or pickles brine, because it's rich in umami. Or you can add a little bit of white miso, also adds to the umaminess and also adds to the cheesiness. But careful, because miso paste, it tends to be a little bit salty, so careful with the salt. And apart from that, just enjoy, have fun. This dish is the second time that I make one of her dishes here on the channel. It's from Dimitra's kitchen. She makes Greek food and I veganize it. The first was the gigantes, which I'm going to post over here, is those very large white beans in the sauce. Amazing, delicious. And please do me a favor, head over to her YouTube channel and let her know how amazing she is, because she makes amazing food, and that's how we like it, isn't it? And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to tag me if you make this on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget also to subscribe to my website, because over there you're going to get a free ebook with 10 of my preferred and fast recipes for a weekday. So if you want to cook when you're in a hurry but still want some deliciousness and a little bit of flair, that's the ebook for you, because those recipes are just that. And I will see you next time. Take care of each other. Bye bye.